next upper extremity is the clavicle. Clavicle is a bone that runs right up here, and that's allegedly the most frequently broken bone in the body if you read the EMT book, which you should. So again, my patient has a fractured clavicle. The patient's arm will be out here at some point when you find him. And again, I'm going to have my partner come in and stabilize the arm. Again, I'm going to take that triangular bandage and I'm going to put that knot at the corner opposite the longest side. And the goal is not to have anything impinging on this clavicle. So it's basically a sling and a swathe, except that now instead of going over the clavicle like we did the last time, it's got to go behind it, okay? So this piece, I still put this knot here at the corner of the elbow, and now instead of coming over the shoulder, I come behind the shoulder like this, and I loop it around back here. Again, I'm going to tie that surgeon's knot, piece of padding there, loop it through once, loop it through a second time, tighten, and then tie that second knot to hold that first knot in place. Once I do that, I still need to stabilize this hand. So I'm going to come in with that swathe again. I'm going to come in and I'm going to start on this side, on the injured side. And I'm going to come down. I'm going to grab that wrist again. I'm going to make sure that's right about mid-shaft on that humerus. And I'm going to put this around, tie the surgeon's knot again. Again, padding for patient comfort. Have my patient inhale, tighten the knot, and then secure the knot. Once that's done, again, it's caught the hand. The hand is secure against, or the arm is secure against the body. And I'm going to come in and I'm going to recheck pulses. Check CSMs. Can you feel me touching?
I do. And
how's capillary refill? Again, 10 minutes to do this. The important thing is there's nothing over the clavicle that's going to impede the injury or make the injury worse.